Yeah, our Wingtra is here. Let's hi. Everybody's extremely excited about new toys. This is almost like second Christmas.
First Christmas, we haven't gotten to the Christmas.
Hey, ooh!
What's in the arcades already?
Ooh, that's fancy. Fancy that.
I can't wait to fill it with stickers.
That's a good idea.
Oh, nice. They're like legit travel case if we ever go. For when we go abroad.
Now, this is the only Gen 2 WingtraOne in Canada. Check this thing out. What?
What a beauty. You know what really does it for me is these huge seats. They're so nice. Oh! Gen 2. The little cap.
Yeah, that's the nose cap, and that's where the batteries go.
Alright.
Ooh, she's light.
That's it.
That's the Altum closure there. That fell off. Wanna hold it?
Yeah. Nature, one pixel at a time.
What he said. So there's a right way and a wrong way to do it.
Just find instructions. So just put it back and find instructions.
Oh, that is so sick. That is so sick. Okay, there's
Oh, nothing else in here?
nope,
There is.
nope, that would be it.
Let's put another to the controller.
So what else we got here? I say
Those batteries.
that would be a battery set. This is huge.
The belly cam.
That's the second Pelican case that we have.
Battery number 1 now?
Boy, I wonder what's in here.
Also, shout out to Wingtra. Shout out to Wingtra for letting us try it.
Quality certificate. And a very pretty quick start guide. Everything looks so serious.
This is professional.
Ready to pop this open?
Yep.
Ooh, more toys. We got a charging station for those batteries over there.
Nice. Put power over here.
That's our ground station. Just an Android type of tablet.
Plug the pen holder.
This is our telemetry communication device. Works on 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi. Okay, there's that. What else do we have here? Oh, that was a spare set of batteries. So we have 3 sets of batteries now, which is amazing. This is a fancy little calibration unit, 100% for our Altum. Oh, look at this cute SD card.
That's beautiful. I love that. It's really in the details, man.
Yeah, I know. I might mispronounce that, but this is a anemometer to measure speed, wind speed. That's cool. We don't need to buy our own. That's very, very nice. Couple extra batteries, couple extra adapters, card reader, forks, driver, extra.
Extra rotors.
Those are high altitude ones. Pretty sure. So.
Check out it in the quick start guide.
So this will take it up to 2,500 meters above sea level. Those can take up to 4 kilometers up. So this baby can cover a lot of ground. Yes, so excited. What else is there? Ooh, that's baggy. Just for the drone itself. Okay. Wingtra baby. Let's stand here and admire this toy. Now, next week we're gonna go and test it out. Our first flight's gonna be with Wingtra specialist, where they're gonna teach us how to properly use this machine, and we'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you for watching.
See you out there.